Well, row over Assam beef ban that has exploded further with the BJP sharpening its attack on the opposition Congress, asking why is the Congress party opposing beef ban in the first place, where the BJP is accusing the Congress of appeasement politics.
Assam Chief Minister has ensured a complete ban on the public consumption of beef in restaurants or any kinds of gatherings. Now the question is that why is the Congress party opposing this ban? Gaurav Gogoi and other leaders of Congress, as usual in the name of vote bank politics, do not have any care or concern for the sentiments of the majority community, the Hindus. They only want to indulge in vote bank politics. And it was your challenge, it was your argument that this thing should be done. Now when it has been done, you are opposing it. It shows that for Tushtikarana politics, for vote bank politics, Congress can go to any extent to harm and hurt Hindu sentiments.
Right. So appeasement politics, Nyamika, that has been the charge coming in from the BJP side, saying that the ban that was already in place, it is only as far as the restrictions are concerned, have been extended further.
Indeed, a war of words has already been erupted, as on one side the Congress party is saying that this decision is basically a target upon the constitution, as it is basically impacting the constitutional rights of the citizens of Assam, which gives them a right to for the choice of food they want to have. And for that reason, the Congress party is also saying that this shows the RSS ideology which the Assam Chief Minister is trying to impose upon the citizens of Assam. But on the other side, the BJP is also attacking the Congress party by saying that why they are not ready to accept this decision which is being taken on the part of the Assam government, as the BJP is basically alleging that this shows that the Congress party is indulging into the appeasement politics, as they want to appease one particular community, and that is the Muslim community, and that is the reason why they are questioning this decision of the Assam government to ban completely of having any kind of selling or consumption of beef within the state of Assam. But on the other side, the Congress party is also saying that this is being done on the part of the Chief Minister just to camouflage his failures of the government, and that is the reason why such kind of decision is being taken on the part of the cabinet of Assam.
All right, Nyamika, thank you very much for joining in. Of course, the war of words that has begun over this issue as far as the beef ban restrictions are concerned, that have now been extended to public places, to religious gatherings, to even hotels, and also to restaurants as well. We'll get you more on that.